Hello, my name is Zach LaRue here at Beyond the Box, and today we're going to show you how to take this ordinary cabinet and install adjustable roll-out trays. So what we've done is installed our mounting brackets on the front and back on each side, right here, back there. That way it brings our sidewalls out past the face of the cabinets. So next thing we're going to do is mount our glides on each side. These glides are soft closed. Alright. So you can see what we've done is install our glides, and these can be set to whatever desired height you want. If you want more room at the bottom and less room at the top, or kind of however you want to. And all those do is take a couple screws in the front, a couple screws in the back, and then it's just making sure that you're level and your measurements are the same from the bottom up. We'll put our trays in and we'll see how she works out. Simple as that. Some of you may have older families, like a grandmother or parents or family members, and it'd be hard for them to reach way back in there. But so how we're
That was really good though.
stop the recording.